This is the Gel-Mousse-Gel technique. I love it because it doesn't matter if it rains, it thunders, it's lightning, you dance, you shake your head, and no matter what you do, it lasts a long time, and in this rainy season, frizz won't be a concern. So you put in your curl activator, style as you like, scrunch, and now it's time for the gel. Wet my hands, apply a light coat. Scrunch. Then I put a small amount of this mousse or foam, whatever you call it. This one is thicker. I wet. Scrunch. Another layer of gel. And scrunch with the head down. Let it dry or dry with the diffuser. I will show you the results so you can see that no, it is not heavy and it does not look dirty. There it is. Let's see. It has movement. It's shiny, it's defined. Does not look dull, no frizz. I hope you like it, but most of all that it works for you too.